The Move Pro features new and improved functionalities for better engagement, ergonomics, and mobility. Thanks to the built-in battery, it can easily be moved between treatment rooms. The battery provides up to 30 minutes of runtime. However, we recommend plugging in the Move Pro as soon as you change rooms to avoid any interruptions. The adjustable arm lets you position the screen exactly where you need it for maximum comfort. Keep everything you need for your daily routines within reach using the integrated adjustable storage tray. You can attach the tray at the height that suits your needs. It can hold ready tips, boxes of sleeves, or batteries. Secure the cord with the cable hook to prevent tangles and eliminate tripping hazards. The Move Pro was designed specifically for the Trios 6 and Trios 5 scanners. The built-in PC includes 2 USB-C ports, allowing you to connect additional USB devices. The screen is 40% larger compared to the Move Plus, enhancing your scanning experience by letting you see more at a glance and improving communication with your patients. Designed for dental practices seeking maximum flexibility, greater patient engagement, and a smooth, efficient daily workflow.